Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Minahil Maniwali and I'm a student at Rehan School Online Academy. So as you all know that giving and taking interviews at Rehan School is a must. So just like that, today we have a very special and beautiful guest with us. Her name is Mariam Alawala. So come, let's get to know about her life and her goals. So Assalamu alaikum Mariam, how are you?
Walaikum salam, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, Mariam, before we start, can you please give a short introduction about yourself so that our viewers can know about you?
Of course. My name is, well, I don't have a, it's a very short introduction. My name is Mariam Tawala and I am 20 years old. Um, my dad is Rehan Lawala and I love eating and watching stuff like TV shows. And
Okay,
I'm still figuring out what my goal is.
okay, that's great. So, Mariam, my first question from you is tell me your top three hobbies. I would love to know.
So, my hobbies would be, well, eating. I love eating. But trying food, trying new things, exploring. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I do love swimming,
Oh, same.
but I haven't swam and I haven't had to do it in quite a few months now. And,
Okay.
I also, well, I love watching TV shows and movies. That I count as a hobby because I love it.
Okay. So, tell me like your top three favorite TV shows.
Well, I love Friends.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
yeah, I've
Yeah,
watched
same,
it like 6 times.
same.
Um, I also really like Big Bang Theory. It's it's similar to Friends, but it's also different. I like it, and I really like Grey's Anatomy, but only a few seasons of it.
Oh, okay. Okay, our interests match a lot because I like these three too. So, like, what type of movies do you prefer? Like comedy, horror, or like something else?
So I don't do horror at all. Uh,
Okay.
can do mystery sometimes, but not that much.
Mhm.
Comedy and rom coms are pretty much what I go for.
Okay, rom com, same. So, okay, Mariam, do you like reading?
I don't hate it, but I don't do it as much as like to call myself a reader. I don't do it that much.
Okay, have you like read any books ever?
Yes. Um, a few, which
Mhm.
I can't
Tell
remember.
me the top two.
Well, it's an Urdu novel.
Oh,
So many people have read it. It's called Jannat Ke Patte, and
yeah,
it,
by Nora something. Yeah,
yes,
I know.
it's a very good
Okay.
novel,
Okay,
and
so what is it about? I'm really curious. I wanna know. Why is it so famous?
it really is just a love story, but it also
Oh,
a lot of mystery in it. Like you don't know. There are not a villain. I wouldn't say that, but many
mhm.
people who you don't know, but you're seeing things and it's difficult to explain, but it's a
Okay.
very interesting one. It keeps you hooked by till the end, and you don't know who this person is till the end. It's a
Like,
very fun.
does it have a main character?
The, that's the thing. The main character, you think you know the main character, but you really don't. So
Whoa. Okay. That
it's a very
sounds
fun.
interesting. So, like, is it about Islam?
It does have so. And the thing with Nimra Ahmed's books is I've read a couple, and they all have some underlying Islamic, uh, not a preaching, but something that to teach you. And this one is about haya, parda, and hijab and everything. There are others. Some of them. One of them was on interest, like how you like. It's food basically, and how it's wrong and not allowed and about that. And
Okay, okay. So
yeah,
basically, जो जन्नत के पत्ते हैं, it's about hijab. It's like okay.
kind.
So hijab mentioned as जन्नत के पत्ते. That's the main topic, right?
I don't know what Jannat Ke Batte means.
Okay, okay. It sounds very interesting.
It is. It
So,
is.
mm, okay. So where do you live? Where are you living right now?
I live in Pakistan, but right now I've been in the USA from the past 3 months, and
Okay.
yeah,
So, how's the experience? Do you like the new country, the new city? How is it?
it's very fun. We well, Houston is very much like Karachi. There's all you can do here pretty much is food, eat, which I love. I don't mind that. And there are also a lot of Desi people here, so you don't feel like you're not in Pakistan when you're in Houston. Of course, of course, other cities.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, keep going.
No, no, it's okay. I was just saying Houston is like that, but the other some other cities that we went to were obviously very different, not Pakistan like, and still nice, very nice.
Oh, so so have you made any friends yet here?
Well, we have a lot of family in Houston, so it's really just the family, which
Oh,
I love spending time with them. That's it.
okay. So my next question is that like, do you have any pets?
I don't like animals, so no.
Oh, same, same, same. I don't like animals at all. Okay, so okay, so tell me about the number of countries you have visited apart from Pakistan.
Um, five maybe, 4 or 5.
Oh, that's great. Tell me their names.
So we've I've been to Malaysia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, those three, and then Dubai and America.
Wow, and which one is your favorite?
So the first three we went to, when we I was very like not that old, so I don't
Oh,
remember that much. Um, of course, Sri Lanka. I remember very small bits of them. So in Sri Lanka, we went to the beach a lot, so that was really fun.
wow.
And Malaysia, I don't remember that much. Just that I swam a lot in the hotel swimming pools probably. And in Thailand, I think food, and also a big memory from Thailand would be when I was little, my teeth were very bad, so I got like 7 or 8 extractions in Thailand.
What? Oh, oh my god. For
So
how
that's
for
why
how long? For how long?
now they're fine.
Oh, okay. Okay, but like for how long did you keep the extensions?
Extraction, like they took them out.
Oh, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Ouch.
So
Ouch.
that was a memory from them. That, but of course, every country was really fun. I'm sure. Um, I do like Dubai a lot, but I want to go back to Thailand so that I can remember it a little more, except the teeth.
Wow. Okay. So, Mariam, you just said that you love food. So, what are your favorite top three dishes?
My top three vary a lot. I love pizza a lot, but in the past 3 months I've had so much of it that I don't want to touch it again.
You're done.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. The
Mm.
second.
I really, I think I really like ramen, but not just ramen. Any Thai or
Oh,
food.
yes. Same.
There's a
I
spice.
love the black one.
Which one?
The black one. Have
Right,
you
the
tried?
pretty
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Okay. And what will be the third dish?
I don't know if you can call it a dish, but I love ice cream. I have space for it anytime.
What's your favorite flavor?
I am a
I
chocolate
hate
person.
chocolate. Okay. Uh-oh. I take
So
my words.
I like trying different flavors, but I always go back to chocolate because it's so nice.
Wow. All right. So, what's your favorite chocolate? I wanna know.
Oh, like eating chocolates. Not
Mhm.
I don't have a favorite. I don't love eating chocolate as much, just the ice cream.
Yeah, same. Okay. So, have you tried the Dubai chocolate? Have you tried it?
Yeah, actually, I got to try the original one. We
Oh.
were at an event and they were giving out samples, like mini ones.
So, like, how does it taste?
It was
Because very hyped.
I didn't like it that much.
Is it like salty or is it very sweet?
This I found it to be very sweet, and of course it was crunchy. And maybe because it was mini, the proportions might not have been right. That's why it was so sweet. It could have been that, but it was just fine. I didn't see why it was so.
Okay. Okay. So like it's like not that great. It's five out of 10. You can say, right?
Yeah, you can say
Okay. So Mariam, if you could describe your personality in 3 words, what would that words be? You can think.
that. Someone else should say that. No, I can't describe
No,
myself. Oh,
like you know yourself the best. So describe yourself in 3 or 4 words. It's up to you.
let's do two or three.
Okay.
Um, I think I'm pretty introverted most of the times, so that
Mhm.
I and I'm also a
Okay.
very
Introvert.
scared. So
Huh?
I'm also a very scared person, even if I don't like to admit it, I am.
Scared
So
of what?
a
Like
person,
what?
sorry,
Scared of what?
scared of anything. Um, trying.
Oh, you have anxiety issues, right? You get. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Um, no, like not anxiety. I would say that I'm just scared of doing something that could bother someone, or just it's a very careful. Don't want to
Oh,
do
okay,
anything
okay.
wrong.
I got it. And what about the third one?
I don't know.
Okay, so the introvert and you get a bit scared when you meet for someone for the first time, right?
No, when I try to do something different. It's I'm not scared, not necessarily scared of people. I guess you can say I'm scared of doing things that could be somehow, or just
Okay, okay, I get it.
difficult to.
Okay, so Mariam, what are you doing right now? Are you like studying or are you doing something else?
I'm not studying. I finished my high school last year. Well, college
Wow.
A level,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, well, not interning. I started a job at a
Oh,
company, but then I left that because we were traveling, and so
okay.
then we've
So
just
for
been.
how long did you work there?
Well,
Like
I
how long?
did probation period, so 2.5 months maybe, and
Okay.
that's when I left.
So are you doing anything right now?
Not really, just chilling and trying to get a hang of this Rehan school stuff.
Okay. So uh, how long has it been that you have joined this Rehan School online system?
I guess you can say it's been a day. I've been in and out quite a few.
Okay. Okay. So
And
Okay, you just said that you have done A levels, so I'm also doing that, and it's very hard. So can you please give me like tips, study tips to get like top-notch grades?
I'm the worst person to do that because my only motivation of studying was to get it over with. Um,
Oh,
I studied one day before my exam and somehow passed. That's it. No, I do not like to announce my grades. I don't even think I remember my grades anymore.
wow. Okay, so what were your subjects?
I had business psychology and mathematics. So they're very different from each other, and nobody really understood the combination. But these were just the subjects that I somewhat enjoyed studying, so I picked those and
Okay.
regretted it. Obviously, what are your subjects?
Oh, minor chemistry, maths, and physics, and they're very hard. Oh my god. So, which one was the easiest for you? That you were like, I can do this easily. It's fine.
None really, but business studies was like you don't have
It
to
was easy.
remember many things in business studies. I mean, they want you to. I don't really do it. You just
Wow.
need to understand what's going on, and then you can write whatever. And it's
Okay.
similar in psychology, but you still have to remember dates, studies, the names of studies or names of a disease.
Oh, there are dates in psychology.
So A level psychology is like they give you studies that people did, like researches and experiments basically. So you have to
Oh,
remember the dates of those, sometimes the names of those, the people who did them, and then there
mhm.
are some specific names of a disease maybe, or a condition, or a part,
Mhm.
or something. So there's some remembering that you have to do, which I'm not very good at. And then mathematics obviously is just have to remember everything.
Yes, very hard. Oh my god. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna put you in some situations now and see how you're gonna react. So imagine, oh, can you drive? Let me ask you first. Can you drive?
Yeah.
Okay. So imagine you're driving on a motorway and your car it stops working. So and there's no car nearby. So who are you gonna call?
My brother,
Oh, is he older or younger than you?
older.
Okay. Okay. So the next situation I have for you is you somehow lose your phone. So how are you gonna react? And what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna freak out, start crying.
Okay. Okay. And you cannot find it at all after like hours of searching. So what are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna find it with another device maybe, or
Okay.
log somewhere and then log out from this phone. All the serious steps that you can.
Okay, that's smart. Wow. So okay, so yeah, tell me one of the most funniest moments of your life. It can be from any stage.
I
Like
don't,
it's very funny.
I don't have a very good memory, so I'm
Oh
like
no.
really bad at remembering things.
Hmm. Can you recall any moment?
A funny one, not really. It's easier to remember embarrassing moments than funny moments.
Okay, tell me one of the embarrassing moments.
It's not one moment, but I remember, or even now, whenever I do something wrong, something that I
Mhm.
shouldn't, the person who I'm most scared of shows up somehow.
Why?
Like
No.
school, whenever I wasn't a very bad kid, I would say, but whenever I did something slightly wrong, my principal would show up. He was like,
Okay. Okay, so were you like naughty when you were a kid? Were you a naughty kid or a calm, mature kid?
I think,
A combination of both?
well, not the first kind. I think it switched in somewhere in between. I don't know where though.
Mm-hmm.
But I was
Okay.
pretty. I used to bug everyone. I used to annoy everyone. I hate everyone.
Okay. Okay. So, have you ever done any pranks with anyone?
Done what?
Pranked? Have you ever pranked anyone in
Probably.
your family or friends?
I probably have. I don't remember it though.
Okay. 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 So, Mariam, tell me about the three qualities that you want in a friend that really, you get inspired by those qualities if you see it in a human.
In a friend or well, and I like it when people are really religious. It's like it's automatic. I can't help it. It just creates a soft spot in my system if someone's religious, and and
Mhm.
then also if they smile. I mean, if they're kind, obviously they have to be kind. Mm,
Okay.
and also, I don't know. These two are very like important.
Okay. What about vibe? The vibe should match. You know.
Why did it smash obviously what that's key, right? That without that, nothing.
Yeah. Okay. So, what are three things that you don't like in a human that you're like nah? If you see it in a human, you're like no way.
Well, I don't like when people are rude to others, like
Hmm.
rude to someone who are who they are in, like if they're in power and they're rude to someone below them,
Yeah.
and not necessarily below them. I wouldn't say that. Even if you're in a restaurant and you're rude to the wait, or um, in Pakistan at least, if you're rude to a beggar,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
which is common, that's like I would like to stay away from you. And then
Mm.
also, I want to say talking behind people's backs. It's
Yes.
something. And if you shout at people, or me at least, if you shout at me,
Oh. Hmm.
I can't deal with.
Okay. Okay. So, like you don't like loud people.
Loud in a happy way is fine. Angry,
It's
no.
one. No, if a person is always loud, like do you get annoyed?
Obviously,
Yeah, okay. So, okay, you said you love food. So, do you like cooking?
I used to.
Oh, you can cook.
I can cook not Pakistani food, pasta
Mhm.
sometimes. I tried to
Wow.
make pizzas. They were fine.
Mm,
I used to bake,
nice.
but I don't do that either anymore.
Oh, what can you bake?
So I used to bake cakes, cookies, cupcakes, eclairs, everything. I used to sell them.
What? Really?
Yeah,
Wow. That's very talented.
thank you. But I don't do that.
So, for how long did you like do this? Like sell bakery items?
Can you just give me 1 minute?
Yeah, sure, it's okay. Okay. So, tell me. Okay, so tell me, do you like sketching?
Not anymore.
Oh, you used to sketch.
No, I not sketch but draw. I don't know if there's a difference. I used to draw dresses and like clothes and everything.
Whoa, okay. Okay, so And tell me your favorite, top three favorite cities from Pakistan.
I loved Hunza.
Mhm.
I do like Islamabad, but to a limit, to an extent. And I
Okay.
love Karachi also.
Yes, Karachi for the beach, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so our time, I can't believe it has finished. So thank you so much, Mariam. I had a lot of fun with you doing this interview.
Thank you,
Thank
Manal.
you so much. So, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.